Very good morning to all of you. So, students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing good at your places. So, students, I'm Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging 2, and today we start our new session. Okay, so for that, you all have to bring out your writing skills book, which is there on screen. First of all, you have to tell me, is there any doubt regarding any concept? You are doing your studies on time? Hmm? Very good. Okay, chalo, let's bring your writing skills book, which is there on screen. This is your child-centric writing skills perfection toolkit, Joyful D. Okay, you all have to bring out plus. You are doing the writing part. So, what is the most important thing to have? Yes, you must have pencil and eraser in your hand, right? The pencil should be sharp, students. Okay, I'm waiting. Hurry up. Till then, you have to bring out your books. Then we will start. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, students, I hope so that you all have bring out your writing skills book and you all are ready to do the first subject, right? So kindly open your book. Yes. So today we have to do the writing portion, right? In the previous session, what we had covered, you have to read the sentences. So today what you have to do, you have to write the sentences. Okay, so come on page number 1313 from your book. You all have to come over on which page number 1313. See, in my screen this is your page number 1313. If you want to cross check it, so you have to go below, right? Check the number of your page. Wait for a while. Oh yes. Okay, so here you have to come and see, this is the number written below. See, this is your 1313. Okay, so now we will see what is there in this worksheet. But before it, you have to write the date on top. Okay, as that is the very first task which you have to do each time, right? So come on top, write today date, circle the day as well, and then you have to go outside, check how's the weather today and circle the clipper. Okay, till then I'm waiting. Okay, students, so I am here. I'll read the caption for you, what you have to do in this. Three letter words with you. In a previous session, I'll introduced you lots of three-letter words with you, right? So today, with the help of those three-letter words, we try to write the sentence. Okay, this is a similar kind of worksheet which you had covered lot of time, है ना? Now you are doing unit E. So till A to unit E, you had covered lots of worksheet related to the same pattern. Fine, where you have to see the picture, recognize it and write a sentence for it. Okay, तो आपने इस worksheet में भी there are the U letter words. First of all, you all have to see the picture very carefully, recognize it, what is there in this picture, and then you have to form the short sentence like this is a pub, this is a so and so thing, right? Okay, so we just start. Okay, now first of all, we will come down and see what is given over here. Information. Write the sentence for each picture. मतलब आपको हर एक picture के लिए you have to write the sentence. Is that clear to you all? Okay, I hope so. That will be clear to you all. Now we will start from the upper half. Right? Come on top, students. Fine. So one by one, you all have to tell me what is given in this picture. Ready now? Everyone, I want a big yes from you all. You all are ready to answer me? Yes, ma'am. All right. Okay, one by one, I'll take anybody's name. You just have to tell me what is there in this picture. Okay, so the very first one is done for you, right? Okay, but then also you have to tell me. Okay, Supriya, tell me what is there in this picture. This is a picture. Who is there in this picture? Ma'am, dog. Yes, this is a dog, but he's very small. So the kid of dog is known as pup, right? You have to tell me the three-letter U word. So what we call it? We call it as pup, right? Okay, very good. Students, what is this? You all have to be tell me what is this? Ma'am, pup. Very good. Okay, come down. See the next picture carefully. Everyone, raise your hands who know the answer. Sukaran will tell me. Okay, Sukaran, tell me what is this? Ma'am, bun. Very good. Yes, this is a bun. Nice. Okay. Come on the next one. Have you ever seen this? Yes, ma'am. You told earlier in the previous session. Yes. What is this? Tell me then. Ma'am, this is rug. Very good, Sahaj. Well done. Okay, this is rug. Nice. Okay, come down, come down. Okay, now tell me what is this? Ma'am, this is cup. Very good. Yes, this is cup. Nice. Very good, Vedic. Okay, now come down, come down. Okay, Gunisha, tell me what is this? We did it in the previous session, है ना? Where there is a bug and there is that. What is this? Tell me, ma'am. This is tub. Very good, Gunisha. Well done. Okay, now come down. See this picture carefully. What is this, ma'am? This is a plant. Yes, this is a plant. But what we call this? This one. है ना इससे क्या होगा आपका फ्लावर ग्रो होगा है ना सो व्हाट वी कॉल दिस थिंग मैम आई डोंट नो ओके आई विल टेल यू दिस इज अ बर्ड है ना जब आपका एक प्लांट होता है जब वो ग्रो करता है उस पर फ्लावर्स आते हैं ना फ्लावर्स आने से पहले सबसे पहले छोटा सा एक बर्ड आता है एंड देन इट विल ग्रो इनटू अ बिग फ्लावर व्हाट वी कॉल दिस एज बड बर्ड bud okay Chalo. Now what comes to do now? We have to write the sentence for each picture. So take your pencil in your hands and start writing. So this one is already written. You just have to trace it, okay? And don't forget you have to put a full stop after completing each sentence, okay? I'm not going to tell you again and again. You have to put a full stop, okay? Develop this habit. Now start writing the next one. This T H I S. This is E sound come from I. This is Z. So this is a. This is a. Students, when there is a single consonant है ना जैसे A है A single consonant है A is not there with any other consonant so we call it as a right this is a what is this let's recall what is this students ma'am bun very good try to write spelling by on there is no one will help you b sound come from B b I told you a sound come from you come from you b n No sound come from ma'am, and very good. Yes, this one is right. A bun. Right? Put a full stop. Now, come on the next one. What is given in the next picture? Tell me. Ma'am, this is a rug. This is a rug. Very good. Yes. So you have to write it. This T. Wait for a while, students. This THI. This is is. This is a. This is a. This is a rug. Rug. What you have to write over here, students? You have to write r. A sound come from you. R. G. Rug. 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 Right? Rug. Rug. Put a full stop. And when you are writing a sentence, after completing each word, you have to give some space and write the another word. Okay? Space देने के बाद आपको second word write down करना है. Fine? Now, the next one. Write the sentence for this picture. What you have to write? Ma'am, this is a cup. Very good. So first of all, you have to write this. This T H I this is a. Give us space after completing each word. This is a cup. K sound come from C. U. Sound come from P. Cup. This is a cup. What is this? This is a cup. Put a full stop. Now come on the next picture. What is there in this picture? Ma'am, tub. Very good. Write the full sentence. What you have to write? Ma'am, this, very good, is, very nice. This is a tub. Very good. This, first of all, write this. Then give a space and then write the next word. This is, again this word is completed. Again you have to give some space. This is a tub. The sound come from T. A sound come from U. B, tub. Tub, right? Put a full stop after that. Okay, now come to the next picture. Okay, so what I tell you, that this one is a bird. Bud. What is this? Ma'am, this is a bud. Very good. So how you have to write the full sentence? Ma'am, this T H I S. This is this is a this is a this is a bud. B sound comes from B. B a sound comes from U. D bud. This is a bud. What is this? This is a bud. This one is done. Okay, now put a full stop. Right? So I'm giving you some time. This worksheet is completed. You also have to complete this worksheet and you have to write the formation correctly. Okay? So students, I am waiting for you all. Till then, you will complete it. Then we will shift towards our next subject. Okay? Make formation correctly. Now I am watching you. Hurry up. You have to write very neat and clean. Your work should be neat and clean. Okay? Okay, I hope so that you have done your worksheet, right? If you have done this worksheet, so now you have to go and bring out your art and craft book, right? In which we are doing a worksheet, page number 39. In the previous session, I'll introduce you the worksheet which is 13, right? Page number 13, I'll introduce you, and I told you that you have to collect the material which is required for this worksheet. Okay, so students, hurry up, go and bring out your art and craft book which is there on screen. Plus you all have to carry the material which you have collected for completing that worksheet. You also have to take along with that material. What is that material? न्यूज़पेपर पेपर स्ट्रिप्स, राइट? न्यूज़पेपर की जो आपने स्ट्रिप्स कट करी है, यू हैव टू टेक अलोंग विद यू. प्लस यू हैव टू टेक फेविस्टिक और फेविकॉल. वट एवर इज विद यू, यू हैव टू टेक अलोंग विद. Okay, now we will open page number 1313. In my previous session, I'll introduce you this page where I'll introduce you tearing and pasting. So yesterday I told you that you have to do the tearing portion, and today we will cover this worksheet by pasting that strips. Okay, so what is this? This is zebra, right? So you all, it's a request that you all have to gather the material which is required for this worksheet. First, newspaper cutting. Second, you have to bring glue with yourself. Then we will just complete our task. So students, in our previous session, we did the very first step. The first step is tearing the newspaper into strips. So you have the newspaper strips along with you, plus you also have the glue, right? So what you have to do for today is, you have to take the glue with you, right? What you have to take? You have to take the glue with yourself and start applying glue one by one in each strips, right? You start from here. ये जो आपको zebra की strips दिख रही है, right here you have to apply some glue. You apply that glue. Okay, paste the newspaper strips on this. यहाँ पे जहाँ पे आपने glue apply करी है, here you have to paste the newspaper strips over here. Okay, so this task you have to do with each strips. Now again you have to apply some glue over here in this strip, right? And now paste the newspaper strip over here. फाइन. आपने ऐसे नहीं करना है कि आपने सबसे पहले हर जगह फेविकॉल अप्लाई कर दी and then you will paste the newspaper strips. No, you have to firstly apply it, then paste it, then apply on the another part, and then paste it. Otherwise क्या होगा, अगर आप सारी जगह apply कर दोगे तो वो dry हो जाएगा in few minutes, right? So we don't want it. Okay, again now you have to apply on the next strip, है ना. ये जो पैटर्न्स है जीब्रा की बॉडी पर, यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, अप्लाई करनी है ग्लू एंड देन पेस्ट द न्यूज़पेपर स्ट्रिप्स ओवर हियर. जो आपने न्यूज़पेपर की लॉन्ग लॉन्ग स्ट्रिप्स कट करी है ना, विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर मम्मा यू हैव टू स्ट्रिप ओवर हियर. पेरेंट्स, दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम where the students are pasting this, so you please help our kids while doing this. Okay, now again you have to apply some glue. ओके, एंड मेक श्योर कि आप थोड़ी थोड़ी ग्लू अप्लाई कर रहे हो. ओके, यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक पेंट ब्रश टू अप्लाई इट इवनली, राइट. अगर वेट, नाउ again you have to do the same task with the next pattern. Apply some glue and then paste the newspaper strip. Over here also you have to apply some glue and paste the newspaper strips. So similarly you have to paste on the body of zebra and make it beautiful, right? So what we are doing today, today we will learn a new craft way, that is tearing and pasting. सबसे पहले आपने tearing करा है ना, with the help of your mama you make long strips of the newspaper, right? And then after tearing it you paste it in this picture and make it more beautiful. Right now you have to, here you have to paste small strips, है ना. अगर आपके पास small strips नहीं है, long strips है, तो आप उसको further cut कर सकते हो in the small parts, right? तो यहाँ पर you have to paste small cuttings, right? Everywhere you have to paste, सबसे first you have to apply some glue and then you have to paste it. Okay, one by one. And don't do it in hush rush. जल्दी जल्दी नहीं करना है. You have to take interest while doing your artwork. So in this way you have to complete the whole worksheet. After that you have to capture a picture and then send it to me, right, along with your other homework. So students, this is your today artwork. You have to complete this worksheet whole and then you have to share it with me. Fine, that's it. If there is any query, any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise the guidelines or instruction is mentioned over here. First of all, the first task you did it earlier. So today task is that you have to पेस्ट द न्यूज पेपर स्ट्रिप्स ऑन द जेब्रा स्ट्रिप्स. ये जो जेब्रा की स्ट्रिप्स है, पैटर्न्स हैं बॉडी पर, यहाँ पर सबसे पहले आपको ग्लू अप्लाई करनी है एंड न्यूज पेपर स्ट्रिप्स जो आपने कल कटिंग करी थी वो यहाँ पर आपको पेस्ट करनी है. ओके, एज पर द साइज आप उन कटिंग्स को फर्दर कट कर सकते हो. इफ यू फाइंड कि यहाँ पर ये जो स्ट्रिप है दैट इज लॉन्ग, सो यू कैन फर्दर कट इट इन स्मॉल पार्ट, राइट. So that is the today work in creative. You have to do it, and if there is any query, so you can ask me. Okay, that's it for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.